So let's solve this question from CAT 2017 slot 2. This is a question on progressions. So the series is given that like a1 is equals to 1 upon 2 into 5, a2 is equals to 1 upon 5 into 8, a3 is 1 upon 8 into 11. And then we need to calculate the sum of the first 100 term of D series. So if you haven't solved these types of series, so it would be difficult for you to understand this in the exam. But if you have already solved this, then it's not a big deal to solve it in exam again. So I'll just explain you the concept behind this. So we know that a1 is given as 1 upon 2 into 5, and a2 is given as 1 upon 5 into 8. Similarly, a3 is given as 1 upon 8 into 11. Now if you just see this pattern, there is difference of 3, there is again a difference of 3, there is again a difference of 3. Okay, and see one more thing, this is the first term, like first term is 2, then here the first term is 5, and here the first term is 8, and over here first term is 5, then here second term is 8, and here third term is 11. Now if you see, these are also APs. This is arithmetic progression 1 and this is arithmetic progression 2. Like 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8 plus 3 11. So this is the arithmetic progression going on. So if I ask you to calculate the a100, so you can easily calculate the a100 term. How you can calculate it? If you calculate the a100, so what we'll calculate the 100 term of this AP, and we'll calculate the 100 term of this AP. So it would be a plus 99D, and a is 2 plus 99 into D is what? 3. So 99 into 3 will give us 297. 297 plus 2 is 299. So this is the 100 term of this would be 299, and if we calculate it over here again, a plus 99D, that would be 5 plus 99 into 3, that is 297 plus 5, so that would be 302. So we get the a100 term as 1 upon 299 into 302. Now how to calculate the sum, that is the main thing over here. So for calculating the sum, what you need to do is, basically there is a a1 plus a2 dot 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 till a100. So what you need to do is 1 upon D, I'll just explain you this formula, 1 upon D into 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5, and 5, and okay, so minus 1 upon 302. Yes, so this is this would be the answer for this. I'll just explain you how I have written this. So this 1 upon D is nothing but the 1 upon D means the difference, that is the difference of 3 between the term. Now 1 upon 2 is what? 1 upon 2 is the first term, that is, you can write this as what? 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5. You will get the same answer. I'll solve this for you. Like if we solve it out, so what we'll get? 5 2 is 10, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. So that's why and if we solve this, what we'll get? 1 upon 10. So there is a difference of 3, that is the difference. That's why what we do, we write it down 1 upon difference, that is 1 upon 3, and then 3 cancels out this, so it becomes 1 upon 10. So that is the main logic behind this. So 1 upon 3, and this would be 302, and 151 minus 1, that is 150. And if you solve this, 3 1s are 350, 50 upon 302, this will get cancelled out, that is 25 upon 151. So that would be the answer for this option number A. I'll explain it one more time, this formula what I had written. I'll just explain this so you'll get a better understanding of the concept. So it won't be any difficulty for you in the exam. So what the concept was, that 1 upon difference is equals to first term minus last term. So the first term was like 1 upon 2 into 5. So this gives us 1 upon 10. Okay, but if I write it as 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 5, what I'll get is 3 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 and 3 upon 10 is not the same. That's why we write it as 1 upon 3. That is the difference. So that this 3 and 3 gets cancelled out and we get the eventual result at 1 upon 10. So that is the main thing. So you can use this concept to solve these types of questions. So the answer for this question would be 25 upon 151, option number A.